How to make and create advertising flyer on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account and click on create a design right here. Now search for flyer and click on it. It will take you directly to this page. Now here scroll down until you find the advertising flyer option. Click see all and choose a template, this one for example. Now you can change the picture, the informations and everything. You have many options as you can see. It's very easy as you can see. After you finish editing, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.